Hi, I'm here to do my 10th experiment in Unix and Linux lab. So the question over here is write a C++ program to demonstrate inter-process communication between two processes using a shared memory. So first one is the process one, creating a process one that creates the shared memory and writes some string into the shared memory. Then waits for the other process to read and modify the shared memory. Process 2 gets the shared memory created by process 1, reads the input string, then displays the actual string and the reverse of the string, and modifies the content of the shared memory. So let's go to the program now. So here's the program for that now. So I have the basic header files, IO stream and sys and shm.h and sys/ipc. Then using namespace standard as a syntax. And after that we have this. We are declaring a variable key, and we are just printing the process A. That is, we are telling it as a process A. Also, we are getting the key from the user. That is cin using the command cin. And after that we have int shm id, that is shared memory id, is equal to shared get key of key comma 100 IPC creator. So this one is to create the keys and the desired key value. So if the shm id is less than 0, then it goes in and prints out that the shared memory not created, else the shared memory created is being printed out to the user. And after that the character into the virtual address is equal to character into the shmat, that is a shared memory at and shmid of 00. Then printing out the virtual address. And after that you are getting the string, you enter the string, that is getting the string from the user. Then yeah, so after that the 15 the sleep of 15, that is the other process goes to sleep. And modified string is we are printing the string, that is the resultant string. So next we have the process B. So for process B we have include IO stream Dutch, then even hash include sys stream dot h. And after that we have hash include sys sys and shm, then string dot h also. This is another header file which is being added to it. So now we're using namespace standard. So this is to create a file and modifying and reverse printing the reverse of the string. So here we have int main of, then in key j is equal to 0. So after that we have char str string 2 if it's an array variable. Then after that process B, this is to print a process B. Enter the key, that is we are getting the key from the user. Then according to the same it's actually the same as the previous process creation. After that if the shared memory id is equal to that, we are printing the shared memory id. If the shared memory id is less than 0, then shared memory is not created, is printed out. If else, then if it's not greater than 0, then shared memory is created, and after that the virtual address is being taken with it and printed with it. Then this string is equal to virtual address is being assigned to it. After that the received string is being printed. So the output of the program over here is so let's see it over here. Yeah, first the experiment in this program. So first I'm executing it, and I get the process A, enter the key. So I'm giving the desired key as 131. Then it's hence the shared memory is yeah, so the key value is 131. Since the shared memory is created, then the string enter the string. So they are entering the string as hello. Then the modified string is equal to hello, that is being modified over there. So then after that experiment 10 a1 c.cpp we have yeah, so we have this thing. Then process B is created. Then enter the key, the above key is given over here, key 131. Then the shared memory id is for that is 6586545. So the shared memory id is shared memory is created successfully, and the received string therefore is being received from the process A. It is received as hello. That's all. Thank you.